welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to become a DoorDash driver. All right. I am assuming that you have the DoorDash app installed. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on the profile right here, profile icon, or you might be able to see the Me section right here at the bottom right. Just go ahead and tap on it. All right. Now, once you're in here, scroll all the way down until you find Become a Dasher. Tap on it and wait for it to load. As you can see here, it is running on our browser. Let's just wait for it. Now, as you can see here, it will ask us for our postal code. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to add in 96162 right here, just for example. All right. I'm going to hit on next, and it's going to require us to put our email address. So I'm going to put my email address right here like that. I'm going to hit on next. And here, as you can see, it's going to be needing our phone number. So I'm going to put in this number and hit on sign up and wait for the website to load. As you can see here, we are being redirected to DoorDash.com, and it will require us to download the Dasher app. All right. If you want to, you can go ahead and use the QR code. If not, tap the download Android app right here or download the iOS app. Now you should be able to see an install button right here. Just go ahead and install it, and you're now a certified DoorDash driver. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.